birthday!
Happy birthday, Uno.
Hi, Uno. Happy birthday and welcome to the Christian world.
Losing my way only made me so higher. Taking my
Si
shot.
Uno kasi, nung nag-decide kami ng pangalan niya, wala pa lang ng father ko. No, ultrasound pa lang, kamukha na ng lolo niya.
Kaya si Junior Juanito to eh, kalolo niya. Kaya Juanito.
Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Happy birthday, Uno.
Birthday!
Thank you for inviting us.
Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
Carlos, dahil sa akin, Carlos. Siya nag-isip mo.
So yung Miguel naman, si kabuuan sa San Miguel. Kaya Juan Carlos Miguel ang pangalan.
Never the same. Riding my way, turning my dreams up louder. Chasing that spark out of the dark, running to the final hour.
Happy birthday, Uno! Thank you for inviting us! Thank you! Happy birthday!
Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
Our family is very excited to see you grow, and we wish that you grow as a good boy, following your mother and your father, and a good child of God. That's it. Happy birthday again.
Wake up, wake up. We can get this started. We can get this started. Wake up now. Wake up.
Happy birthday, Uno! Ninong Ryan, lagi na dito. So, can support you in anything, Pero anytime na need mo si Ninong Ryan, I'm always here. Okay?
The best is
Love you.
yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Sana lumaki ka ng healthy and sana lumaki ka ng onti pa para makapaglaro na tayo. Happy birthday, Uno!
I do in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Gusto ko lang naman lumaki siya ng healthy, normal, and happy kid. And di makalimot sa family. Kasama pa rin namin siya, kahit may family na rin siya pagtanda niya.
I was sitting in a field of pine trees, coaxing the words from the earth and the dirt. I saw the muse, but the words just wouldn't come.
Paglaki mo, makuha mo rin yung trait ng papa mo, friendly. Pati mama mo, friendly din. Pakabait. At sana magmotor ka din pagkalaki mo. Parang papa mo at kami, nagmumotor kami lahat.
You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you.
Paglaki niya or kaya siya magkaroon ng muwang, lagi niyang pamahalin ng mga taong nagmamahal sa kanya. Huwag niyang kakalimutan. Siyempre, kahit sino pa man yung kapamilya, taong tutulog sa atin, sando sa kanya, lagi niyang mamahal.
I love you, Uno!
I love you, siyempre, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Dream.